So now if you look at this, okay, phonological units. So what you can see here, okay, this is phonemes, the smallest unit, right? So this is this we can take as the umbrella, okay, the you can say the broader part is, and phonemes is just one part, okay, of a phonological unit. We have onset and rhyme, okay, then we have syllables and then word. So these are what we call phonological units. Is it clear? So we will come to all this one by one. Phonemes we have already covered, but we'll still look at this. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So, okay, so this is how the unit that we have discussed in the matrix, okay, just before. So this is how it moves from basic, okay, the phonemes, okay, the smallest part, okay. Then we have onset and rhyme. Then we have syllables and word. So if we are to break a word, okay, so how we do is breaking word into syllables, then a syllable into onset and rhyme. Okay, again what we do is onset and rhyme is broken into phonemes. So if we do it from, you can say bigger to smaller, or if we just build from the smallest unit, we go on from phoneme, okay, then onset and rhyme, syllables, and we get word. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, let's look at this. The phonemes in general, about phonemic awareness and different phonemic awareness activities we have already discussed in our last session, right? So looking at phonemes, okay, in more detail here. So what do you say? Phonemes, okay, can be, you can say, classified as consonants and vowels, right? Again, what we have in consonants, we have voiced as well as unvoiced. Consonants can be voiced as well as unvoiced. Then we have vowels, single vowels, and diphthongs. Okay, so the word here, di here, suggests, okay, die, right? That means two. Okay, so about diphthongs, we will learn later on when we will discuss vowels, okay, vowel themes and long vowels and all. So in single vowels, we have short and long. So single vowels are also called monophthongs, like the double here is called diphthongs. Okay, single vowels can be short, long. So I'm again going to show you another one here, and I just want you to kind of form the connection, okay? If when you look at the next slide, okay? See, here what I did is we have in a way classified phonemes, okay, into consonants and vowels, again consonants into voiced and unvoiced, vowels as single vowels and diphthongs, and again single vowels as short and long. So if you look at the next slide, okay, so this is how English alphabets, okay, look like if we just look into detail. Alphabets, so we all know, right? There are 26 letters in the English alphabet, okay, but 44 phonemes, okay. And if we just look at the grapheme part, just the written part only, there's 26 letters. We have usually what we do, we tell children that there are 5 vowels, right? 21 consonants. So what we need to remember is that it's very important that we tell our children that the 5 vowels we stress on, okay, they are just vowel letters, not sounds, right? Usually what we say is, okay, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet, 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. So it's very important that children are made aware of the fact that the 5 vowels we keep on telling, A, E, I, O, U, these are just 5 vowel letters, not sounds. Okay, and the 21 remaining alphabets are supposed to be the consonants. Okay, again, they are consonant letters. So kind of, you can say, identifying letters and sounds becomes very important, and that is why when you introduce the 26 letters of the alphabet and the sounds, it's very, you can say, crucial or important that children are made aware of this fact as well. Okay, so because we have 20 vowel sounds, okay, but the 5 vowel letters, okay, A, E, I, O, U, they are just the, you can say, grapheme, you can say, the written symbol, okay, the written representation of those sounds, okay, these 5 letters, okay, vowel letters and vowel sounds. Again, 24 consonant sounds. Okay, yes, someone wants to ask something? Okay. So the 20 vowel sounds again is, you can say, grouped as single vowels as well as diphthongs. So 12 single vowels and 8 diphthongs. So we will discuss about that also. Okay. The 24 consonant sounds can be voiced, okay, and unvoiced. So that means can not all. Out of the 24 consonant sounds, some are voiced and some are unvoiced. So so if you just look at the previous slide, okay, you can see the kind of connection, isn't it? Phonemes, right? Consonant and vowels, voiced and unvoiced, single vowels, diphthongs, and then short and long vowels, right? So this one, alphabet. Again, what we did in the previous slide is you can say we stressed on this part, right? Phoneme, and then broken into consonant and vowel. And these were all related to the sounds, okay, the spoken part only. So here in this slide, we are like discussing not just the spoken part, but the written part as well. So that's why the 26 letters, for vowel letters and consonant letters. Okay, apart from the phonemes, 24 vowel sounds, 20 vowel sounds, 24 consonant sounds, and then we have discussed this as well, right? Voiced and unvoiced. So here, consonant letters are not grouped as voiced and unvoiced because these are just letters, right? We are not talking about the sound it makes. So far, is it clear?